Those are live pictures. These are live pictures coming to us where the Prime Minister has arrived for the second part of the various arrangements that have been lined up in this 2-day trip that he's making to Varanasi. Prime Minister there just getting out of his car, and he should be on his way on one of the cruise ships which will take him and give him a full view of the ghats of Varanasi and the aarti that will be performed there in the evening as well. You see the Prime Minister, you see the Chief Minister also over there being greeted by lots of locals in the area. It's been a busy day for the Prime Minister and several other dignitaries. Lots of BJP Chief Ministers were there, some 3,000 seers as well, all of them together on this day that the BJP really wants to mark as a major achievement and a major development project that they have built up. And this is, after all, remember, Prime Minister's constituency. So no sort of barred sort of arrangements have been done as of this moment to ensure that this gets all the attention that the BJP would like it to get as of this moment. It's the BJP government, remember, project at the moment. And of course, the Prime Minister backing it up and his constituency in key focus as always. So you see him there. I believe he'll get on board that go-kart, and then he'll be again on that corridor, and he will be taken over there. Now, what exactly has happened because of this Kashi Vishwanath corridor that we are talking about? Just if you haven't really followed the news all morning, let me briefly tell you the big picture over here. So earlier, if you were to visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple, you had to go through several very congested by-lanes of Banaras to finally go there and squeeze in a moment to finally get a glimpse of the deity over there. But now, with the help of this project, they've cleared out a major chunk of all roads around the area, and what you have now is a full corridor. So all the way from two of the major ghats there, you can now walk in directly in a beautiful structure that has been created, an entire complex that has been created directly to the temple. The complex is also very, very nuanced. There'll be libraries there, there'll be art galleries over there, there'll be food stalls as well. So an entire tourism sort of and religious corridor has been built up over there, and doing something like this in Banaras would have been extremely impossible, but now the Prime Minister managing to do that as the first phase has been inaugurated as of this moment. So he's being taken inside the corridor now, and we believe he will get on board one of the cruise ships there, and then what will follow is the Ganga Aarti in the mesmerizing pictures over there. So so that's what's happening in Varanasi at the moment. Let's try and see if we can cut across to Alok Pandey as well to take us through what exactly is happening at the moment and what comes next. But at the moment, this is Varanasi lit up as if it's Diwali practically at the moment. A huge event being organized there by the BJP. Now, this has also come under huge criticism. Remember, it's been a war of who actually ideated on this project, who built this project, and who finally is inaugurating it, as has been the case in several other projects, in fact in history as well, and several times in the past. The Samajwadi Party so far has been saying that they ideated a concept like this, but it was the Prime Minister who took the credit and ended up inaugurating, and not just the whole thing, just a part of it. They believe this is being done to gain political mileage right before Model Code of Conduct gets into place and right before elections get underway as well. But the BJP, of course, saying, the Prime Minister in his speech saying that there is no Sarkar, God is the only government in Varanasi. So as we see the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister there making their way to what we believe is going to be one of the cruise ships that they get on board and finally witness the Ganga Aarti. Alok Pandey is joining us now. Alok, it's been a busy, action-packed day for the Prime Minister, for Chief Minister, also for you, tracking all those details there. Tell us what's going to happen next.
Well, I'm at the Asti Ghat. The Prime Minister will be witnessing the evening Aarti at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, which is the main ghat where the Aarti takes place. I'm sorry, there's a lot of crowd here. There's an Aarti that's also happening at the Asti Ghat right now. So there are thousands of people who've converged on these ghats, and they're all witnessing the Aarti here and also at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. What's going to happen is that also thousands of diyas are also lit here, and and people, like I said, are also converging here in a lot of time. I'm sorry, there's a lot of crowd, so I'll have to switch off for 2 minutes and then come back to you.
Sure, Alok. We'll connect again in just a moment from now. So, Alok, they're busy getting us all those details. But like he said, we're all sort of counting down to the Ganga Aarti, the Maharti beginning in a short while from now. So, there are several ghats. If you've been in Banaras, you would know this, that there are several ghats across Ganga. And there are aartis organized in big and small ways on all those ghats. The Prime Minister is going to get a full sort of view of it from one of the cruise ships, we are told. So, that's the cruise he'll be on. He's done this in the past as well, if you'll remember, where he gets that spectacular view of the ghats from the cruise. And there you have the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister. And they will be on board. And shortly after that, we will then see Aarti and the entire the view that we get, because we're getting all these live updates from the feed from the government as well. So we are counting down now to that Maha Aarti that will take place in just a moment from now. And like I said, not the first time the Prime Minister has done this, but this entire corridor has, the BJP would like to showcase it as one of the promises that were made and were met with. Although it's not ready entirely just yet, but even the first phase that has been inaugurated now, which costed over 339 crore and took about 2 years to build as well. Now, the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister, they're greeted by JP Nadda, and they will be making their way to that cruise and witnessing over there. So, a bit of a chat there between the BJP party president, the chief there, the Prime Minister as well, and they will all be getting on board that cruise ship, which will give them that view of the Aarti. In fact, lots of people on board that ship I see. Generally, we see only the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister, and the camera capturing every moment and twist and turn of the entire process, but we see lots of dignitaries over there on board. And so let's see how exactly it moves from here on. It's been, like I said, a day of lots of developments coming in, lots of spectacular views of the temple that we've been getting for the past couple of days as well. In fact, let's dip in for a minute and see exactly what the atmospherics are looking like. Let's try and see if we have some audio on that feed to get a feel of how exactly it's looking like in Banaras.
Vivekananda cruise on the holy river Ganga, and Prime Minister in a short while from now will begin his sailing on the cruise, once again taking in the breathtaking sights of the ghats of Kashi, of Varanasi. All the ghats have been decorated as if the festivities of Deepavali have returned. Lakhs of diyas have been lit a short while ago. Youngsters, elderly people, all came together. And in those visuals, you can see the preparations have begun for the very special Ganga Aarti. Varanasi is a sacred and is said to be the oldest city, a living city of the world on the banks of holy Ganga. And Ganga Aarti is performed every evening by a group of specially designed priests. Is a commitment to Lord Shiva, is a commitment to the holy Ganga and all the gods and goddesses who descend on earth on this very special moment.
बेहद विलक्षण क्षण है, नैनाभिराम दृश्य है। अविस्मरणीय और अकल्पनीय संकल्पना आज साकार हुई है और उसी का महोत्सव है ये शिव दीपावली सरीखा आयोजन। गंगा की लहरों में ज्योतित ये झिलमिल तारों जैसे ज्योति के पुंज ये बता रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से भारत का उत्कर्ष हुआ है, भारत किस तरीके से आत्मनिर्भर भारत और जगत गुरु भारत की संकल्पना को साकार करने में जुटा है, भारत किस तरीके से पूरे विश्व को शांति, अहिंसा, ममत्व, समत्व का संदेश दे रहा है। और ये बेहद खूबसूरत दृश्य गंगा के घाटों का, और इस पर कहा जा सकता है कि नभ की छाती को छूता सा कीर्ति पुंज सा दिव्य दीपकों के प्रकाश में झिलमिल झिलमिल ज्योतित मां का पूज्य भाल है। मां भारती का भाल, मां भारती का हृदय स्थल, मां भारती का प्रेरणा स्थल, सनातन संस्कृति का नाभि केंद्र काशी आज दीपकों से जगमग है, क्योंकि आज बाबा के धाम का, दिव्य नव्य धाम का लोकार्पण हुआ है और ऐसा तेज पुंज, ऐसा आलोक पूरी दुनिया में प्रकाशित हो रहा है जिसमें उत्कर्ष करते भारत और उत्कर्ष करते काशी की झांकी है।
And the beautifully decked Swami Vivekananda cruise, almost reflecting the lights and beauty of the ghats of Varanasi. The day is a special one for the people of Kashi, as all of them have come out of their homes to gather at the ghats. As Prime Minister inaugurated Sri Kashi Vishwanath Dham in Varanasi earlier today, and in his address he said, Vishwanath Dham is not just a grand building, it is a symbol of Sanatan culture of India. It is a symbol of our spiritual reality, a symbol of India's ancient traditions, India's energy and India's dynamism. There, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on board Vivekananda cruise, and you can see a glimpse of the ghats of Kashi from a distance, all lit up, all decked up beautifully to celebrate this very special day of the inauguration of Sri Kashi Vishwanath Dham in Varanasi. Prime Minister interacting with guests on board Vivekananda cruise, and in a short while from now the majestic Ganga Aarti is expected to begin. Ashwini.
आज कर्मयोगी ने आदियोगी को कार्यांजलि दी। बाबा विश्वनाथ धाम के नव्य भव्य परिसर का लोकार्पण हुआ और शिव दीपावली सरीखा आयोजन आज काशी में इस समय हुआ है, क्योंकि आज महोत्सव है काशी में, आज महोत्सव है समूचे भारत में। आज ये स्वर्ण शिखर नए रूप में, नए स्वरूप में जगमग हैं, क्योंकि आज नए प्रकाश का, नए आलोक का यहां से देदीप्यमान नक्षत्र भी भारत की सांस्कृतिक विरासत में जुड़ा है। बेहद विशिष्ट, बेहद अद्भुत ये दृश्य आप देख सकते हैं दूरदर्शन के माध्यम से कि किस तरीके से समूची काशी को झालरों से, लड़ियों से, दीपकों से सजाया गया है। असंख्य दीप इस समय यहां पर गंगा घाट पर जलाए गए हैं और सरीखा इस तरीके से माना जा सकता है कि जैसे गंगा और आकाश गंगा का सम्मिलन हो गया हो काशी में। ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे यहां पर धर्म, कर्म, आध्यात्म, वैराग्य, जीवन, नवोत्कर्ष, सृजन सबका संगम हो गया हो। और इसी संगम और इसी त्रिवेणी और इसी महामिलन का आज उत्सव है बाबा के धाम में शिव दीपावली के रूप में, तब जबकि घाट जगमग हैं, व्यक्ति प्रफुल्लित हैं, मानसिकता उल्लासित है और समूचा काशी हर हर महादेव के जय घोष से गुंजायमान है।
And those visuals of Ganga Aarti, prayers to the Holy Mother that nurtures the planet, the people. Every evening, people in Kashi, devotees, tourists, they all gather day after day to witness the majestic Ganga Aarti. And in those visuals, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on board Swami Vivekananda cruise with other esteemed guests. And Prime Minister, during this 2-day visit, will also participate in a conclave of chief ministers of various states, a conclave that will provide an opportunity to share governance-related best practices. It is his vision of strengthening Team India, Centre and the states working together, but it will happen in the backdrop of the beautifully decked ghats of Kashi.
और ये विहंगम दृश्य, ये नैनाभिराम दृश्य, शिव दीपावली जैसा महोत्सव अविश्वसनीय और अकल्पनीय संकल्पना के साकार होने का दिन गंगा आरती, जो कि यहाँ के घाटों पर प्रतिदिन अहर्निश युगों युगों से चल रही है। कहा जाता है गंगे तव दर्शनात् मुक्ति, माँ गंगा के दर्शन मात्र से ही मुक्ति प्राप्त हो जाती है। और गंगा की आराधना करने का सौभाग्य, गंगा में स्नान का सौभाग्य, गंगा में अवगाहन का सौभाग्य, गंगा में अर्पण और तर्पण का सौभाग्य जिन व्यक्तियों को मिलता है उन्हें मुक्ति प्राप्त होती है, उन्हें ज्ञान प्राप्त होता है, उन्हें उन्नति और उत्कर्ष प्राप्त होता है। तो आज समूची काशी में शिव दीपावली महोत्सव का आयोजन है, क्योंकि शिव के धाम, बाबा के धाम में नव्य दिव्य भव्य श्री काशी विश्वनाथ धाम का विस्तारित पुनर्निर्माण कार्य का आज लोकार्पण हुआ है। ये दीपावली सरीखा ये अनुभव कराता है शुभेंदु। अगर देखें तो जिस तरीके से समूचे काशी को सजाया गया है और काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर का ये स्वर्ण स्तंभ, ये गर्भगृह, ये मीनारे, ये ऊंचे ऊंचे कलश, ये शिखर तुंग, ये गर्भगृह आज और ज्यादा प्रकाशित हैं। इस पूरे के पूरे परिसर को विशिष्ट रूप से सजाया गया है। और अगर देखें तो यहाँ पर एक थीम भी है नीलांबर की, नीली रोशनियों से होता हुआ आकाश में मिलता हुआ गंगा तट तक जाता हुआ यह पूरा का पूरा स्वरूप दिगंबर को नीलांबर कार्यांजलि सरीखा है। दिगंबर यहाँ पर साक्षात विद्यमान है और दिगंबर को नीलांबर और गंगा से, मंदाकिनी से, त्रिपथगा से, सुरसरी से, गंगा से मिलाने का जो ये महा और पुनीत कार्य हुआ है, उसी का ये महोत्सव है। और आप देख रहे हैं इन दृश्यों में कि किस तरह से अलग अलग घाटों पर विविध आयोजन करके इस महोत्सव में विविध रंग भरे जा रहे हैं।
And the spectacular Ganga Aarati in progress. You can see on your screens the priests in charge of performing the Aarti in their traditional attire, dhoti, kurta, along with the gamcha on their shoulders. And that glimpse of the beauty of Kashi, the beauty of Varanasi, a beauty that cannot be described in words. Lakhs of diyas, lakhs of lights that have been used to decorate the ghats today. And add to that the spiritual energy of the people of Kashi, all coming together